Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most stunning and amazing crochet work ponchos for baby girls. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video. All of the patterns are beginner friendly also, as you can see. Most of these designs are made with granny patterns and having different kinds of crochet border edge patterns along with granny strip pattern as well. You will see most of the designs having simple shell stitch border pattern, shell stitch which is made with 6 to 7 double crochet stitches, and then single crochet is made in one stitch, and you will see 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet shell stitch pattern in some of the designs as well. And you can see this beautiful pattern having a bubble stitch border edge pattern as well. So all of these designs are attractive and gorgeous and are having different color schemes, and some of the designs are having tassels attached on them as well. So different kinds of designs with different kinds of patterns and color schemes are included in this video, and I hope you're gonna love them all. You can see this beautiful pattern made with 7 to 8 contrasting color schemes and having very attractive and gorgeous flower work on it as well. This one is also having flower work. You can also see in most of the designs straps, chain straps are also added, so you can adjust the neck size according to your baby as well. So if you are a size conscious person, you can just add a strap, so it is easier to use and it is adjustable according to the neck size of baby as well. So you can add different straps along with pom pom, or tassels can also be attached at the end of straps, chain straps. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designing ideas, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this if you are new to my channel. So press the red subscribe button to get notifications of future uploads, and also share this video with other handmade products lovers in your circle. I have uploaded a baby poncho of granny pattern on my channel already, and if you are interested in seeing more designs and tutorial videos, just let me know in the comments as well, because you can see these beautiful square patch patterns as well, which I haven't uploaded on my channel. Simple square patch patterns are available, so you can just join them together with the help of different techniques. So you can see those patch tutorials as well available on my channel. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.